Good, good. Okay, let me start our workspace in Eclipse. And we got to know in the last session, I just opened the document as well. So from tomorrow, I'll share the document with you in the Ashok IT portal. Okay, from tomorrow, I will share the document with you in Ashok IT portal. You will get the access to Ashok IT portal. Okay, good to know. Folks, in the previous session, I told about how you can able to read the input from the user. What is the workspace that we have created? 88 JF as the workspace, right? I told that same workspace I'm going to use throughout the sessions, so that all your Java projects you are practicing or creating you can store them in a at a single location. I mean, at a single place, at a single folder, otherwise, whatever it is. Okay, at a single folder. You guys can do this, right? Let's click on finish. Let's launch this. Good guess. So we want to practice some programs. Okay, basic programs we want to practice. Because just now we started our discussion with how to read the input from user. Correct? Okay, how to read the input from the user. This is the first program we have discussed in Rust. By writing a Java program like this, by taking the scanner in the program, okay, and by adding this import statement, by calling these methods, these are all I gave in the last session in the document as well. Okay, na? Right. So today we want to do, okay, because at the end of the day, what you need to do is coding only. Okay, you need to know what are the concepts available in Java and what is the use of the concept. But at the end of the day, you are a developer. Okay, you are a programmer. So that's why good programming practice is important. So let's start working. Okay, let's start working on writing some programs. Okay, guys, let's start working for writing some programs. Okay, here we are going to start. See, today also we are going to use scanner class. Today also we are going to use which class only? Definitely scanner class only. Not only today, in our core Java programming until we complete core Java. If at all the program is going to read any data or the input from the user. Okay, then tell me which class that we are going to use, which class we need to use otherwise. The class is obviously which class? Scanner. To read the input from user, to read the input given by the user, definitely we have to use this class in our Java program. Which class we are going to use? Scanner is a class we are going to use. And I told in the last class that how do you create an object for scanner class and what are the methods that are available in scanner class to read the integer value, to read the float value, or to read the double value, or to read the string value. There are some methods available, right? So you have discussed about all those methods over here. Okay, you have a method called next int. Then you have another method called what? Next long, next float, next byte. What are all these? These are the different methods to read the different types of data. These are all the methods provided by Java in a class. What's the class name? Scanner. So how do you create an object for scanner class? This is a statement. What's the class name? Scanner. This is one class given by Java. Okay. And this is the object name. Okay. Class name. This is object name equals to. New is a keyword in Java. So means if at all you want to create any object for a class in Java, Java has given a syntax. What is the syntax of creating an object in Java programs? The syntax of creating an object in a Java program is class name, object name equals to new class name of. So if anybody wants to create an object for a class in Java, this is the syntax that we need to follow. Class name space object name equals to new space class name. So what is the class name here? Scanner is a class name. What is the object name here? Scan is the object name. New is a keyword. It's a Java keyword. There are many keywords are available in Java. I told you more than 55 keywords are there. Okay, new after class name. This is a class name. But why I'm writing within parenthesis system.in? I told in the last class in Java, system.in represents keyboard. System.out represents monitor. So if at all you want to read the input from keyboard, then which statement you have to use? System.in. To display the output on monitor, which statement you have to use? System.out. So we should follow the syntax. This is the syntax of creating. This is the syntax of creating an object for a class in Java programming. What is the syntax? Class name, object name equals to new space class name. Okay, right. You will come to know more on class object in the OOPS concepts. In OOPS, you will learn all these things. But presently, only one scanner we need to know. Right. And how do you write comments in the program? I said there is a single line comment syntax is available. Next, what? Multi-lines comment syntax is available. Multiple lines comment. And also another type of comment available. Actually, this is called Java documentation style comment. And this type of comment you are going to understand in further classes. But this is also called multiple lines comment. This is also called multiple lines comment. The only difference is here we are adding 2 stars. After the slash, here we are adding only 1 star. Okay. So this document is going to contain everything that you are going to get this document from tomorrow. Okay, guys. I'll share this document in the portal and there you can, from there you can get it. Okay. Right. Today, folks in online, we want to start writing today. Okay. We want to start writing today some basic Java programs. Okay. See here. The other program, the Java program, we want to write here. I'll explain what the program name. Let's try that program. Okay. See here. Better I'll use Paint so that you guys can see it well. Okay, done. See, today, everybody understand this. Today, we are writing some basic Java programs. I want to give you, before we enter into the next topic, I want to give you today 2 more Java programs. In that first Java program today we are discussing. We want to find instance, we want to convert actually. We want to convert given Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value. We are going to write a Java program for this. Okay. What user will provide? Celsius value. Our Java program should convert that value into what category, what type? Fahrenheit value. You know, in physics, you got to know about Celsius and Fahrenheit. Of course, there is a formula. We will see the formula. I'll explain the formula. Okay. You know, for example, you take human temperature. Human body temperature, we can calculate either in Celsius or even we can also calculate in Fahrenheit. Am I right or not? For example, if, okay, a normal human body temperature is 36.8 Celsius. Okay. 36.8 Celsius means what? It is equal to 98.4 Fahrenheit. It is equal to 98.4 Fahrenheit. Okay. So first I'm explaining, guys. So first understand the program here. See, what is our requirement? Today we wanted a Java program that should convert the Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value. If input is given as a 36.8, then the program should display the output as what? 98.4. Because 36.8 Celsius is equal to 98.4 Fahrenheit. But how to calculate or how to convert the Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value? If I give the input as a 40 Celsius, then I should get some Fahrenheit value. So there is a formula and you have to apply this formula whenever you want to convert the value from Celsius to the Fahrenheit. What is the formula? No need to remember the formula. Okay, no need to remember the formula. Actually, okay, actually C minus 9 by 8 plus 32 is a formula. I know the formula, but still I don't want to type the formula directly. Let us ask Google. We can take the help. Why not? Let's go to Google. Let's ask Celsius to Fahrenheit formula. Now we can see what is the formula that I have to use to convert the formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. What is the formula? C into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. This is a formula. By applying this formula, we can convert the Celsius value to what value? Fahrenheit value. Okay, tell me. My program should convert the given Celsius value to what value next? Fahrenheit. Means tell me my program is going to take the input or not? What is the input for this program or the output of this program? Can you first tell me, everybody, what is input, what is output? Identify the input and identify the output first. And you can type in the chat box or you can directly speak to me. What is the purpose of this program? Next Java program I am explaining today. I want to convert a Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value. I want to convert the given Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value. Am I clear with all of you guys? Yes. Good, good. My requirement is, what is the input to this program? Suppose this is a program I'm writing. This is a program, Java program. This is Java program. Okay. This is Java program. Tell me, what is the input this program want and what the output it will display?
We are taking integer and we are giving output as integer.
No. Just tell me integers or doubles later. Actually, they are doubles, not integers. Okay. They are doubles now. They are not integers. Yes. See, what is the input to this program? If you give, yeah, if you give, you are exactly right. If you give to this program, if you give Celsius as an input, Celsius value. Okay. Then tell me this program will display the
Fahrenheit value.
Fahrenheit value. This is a program. First identify what is the input and what is the output. Right? So we wanted a Java program. It should take the input as a Celsius value from the user, and it should convert that Celsius to the Fahrenheit value by applying the formula. And then program should display the output as what? The program should display the output as what value?
Fahrenheit value.
That's it. Let us start writing the program for this. Okay, tell me. To read any input from the user. Suppose if my program wants to read the input from the user, right? If my program wants to read any input from the user, you guys tell me, this Java program should use a class called scanner. How a Java program can read the input values provided by the user? Through scanner. And tell me here, the input value is an integer value? No, it can be double value. Decimal point value means it can be either float or double. You know data types? Okay, right? You know data types? You know, to store the decimal point values, what type of data type you have to use? Either float type or double type. Float or double can be used to store the decimal point value. Okay, na? So input value is Celsius, output value is what? Fahrenheit. Let us start writing the program. Input is a decimal double value, output is also double value. Am I clear with that? Let's start working. I'll write comment directly here only. Don't worry. First, I want to create a new Java project for every program so that you can see them like a separate applications. New Java project today. I am creating another Java project. Let's say, for example, project name is Celsius to Fahrenheit. So that what happens now? It's easy to identify the project. What is the program name? I'm sorry, what's the project name I'm providing? Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now, if you look at this project name, you can understand for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. Meaningful name. Am I right or not? Project name is Celsius to Fahrenheit. Project name, you can give any name, but I am giving a meaningful name. Okay. Next. Check whether module checkbox is selected or not. If it is selected, you unselect it. Suppose if it is selected like this, then you unselect it. If it is already unselected, no need to worry. Directly go to next and finish. Okay. Tell me Celsius to Fahrenheit. Did you guys understood Celsius to Fahrenheit? This is the name of the project. Actually, I told the difference. What is the difference between Java project and Java program? If you take one Java project, tell me in one Java project, only one program we can write or multiple programs also we can write?
Multiple programs.
Multiple programs also we can write. One project means it can contain multiple Java programs. Okay, right? At least how many Java programs are there in a project? At least minimum one Java program will be there. You look at this demo application. Demo application is the Java project. Tell me, test.java is the Java program. This is Java program. This is Java project. In this project, how many Java programs are there? One Java program is there. What is the name of the Java program? Test.java. This is the Java program. This is the project. Suppose in one project, if I create two Java programs, if I create three Java programs or four Java programs, will I get any errors? No, because in one Java project, Minimum one Java program is required. Maximum any number of programs you can write. One Java project contains what? One Java program or multiple Java programs. Remember this point. Okay, right? Everybody understand? One project means a project can contain one Java program, or a project may also contain many Java programs. In a real time, one Java project means one Java program or many Java programs are there. Many Java programs are there. Many Java programs are there. For example, if I'm creating a Java project called My Bank, my project name is My Bank. Okay, in this project, SRC folder is there. SRC means a source folder. SRC meaning source. Source means your code. That's called source code. SRC. In SRC, I'm creating like this. Account.java, user.java. Are you getting my point? Account.java, user.java, card.java, netbanking.java. Are you able to follow me? Okay. Loans.java. Is everybody getting this point now? And so many classes I'm writing. Okay. Account.java, user.java, card.java, netbanking.java, loans.java, branch.java. Okay, na? So am I clear with what I'm trying to say? Now tell me, what are all these? Account.java, user.java, card.java, netbanking, loans, branch, etc. These are all called as Java programs. These are all called as what? Java programs. These are all Java programs. Okay. Tell me, what is a Java project name? My Bank. What is My Bank? My Bank is the Java project. What are account.java, user.java, card.java, etc.? These are all called Java programs. Now, this project is containing one Java program or multiple Java programs? Multiple Java programs. Tell me, one real-time project contains one Java program or one real-time project contains multiple Java programs? Then what is your answer? Multiple Java programs are there for every real-time project. But you are a beginner. Just now we are starting our coding part. That's why in our project, how many Java programs we are writing? Mostly one Java program. Am I clear with that? Good to know. Now, SRC, first we need to create a package. You know the steps. Package concept you'll understand later, but you need to create a package first. Right click, new, create one package first. com.ashok IT. com.ashok IT. What is this com.ashok IT, guys? It is the project package. Right click on this package, com.ashok IT, class, new class. Class name, let's say class name I'm giving convert. Convert is a class name, convert. You can give any name. Meaningful name is convert. Select this main checkbox. After selecting this main checkbox, click on finish button. Tell me. Now you guys have got one project here. One Java program is displayed with the class name and public static void main method. Tell me. Understand here. First, I'm deleting that comment line. By default, one comment statement is coming. So that comment statement got deleted. Everybody tell me, which class object I have to create now to read the input value from the user's scanner. So comment is what? Okay, before writing the comment, on top of the program also, I want to write a comment. For the comment, I wanted this program converts the given Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value. Okay, I'm also writing formula. Formula. Tell me, what is the formula for conversion? We have seen that F is equal to, F means Fahrenheit is equal to C within parenthesis C minus, minus, into C into 9/5 plus 32. This is a formula to apply. So this is program comment, guys. After writing the comment, now you guys have to start creating the scanner object. How do you create the scanner object? Create a scanner object. You know how to create a scanner class object? Scanner space scan is equal to new scanner of system.in. Yesterday also we have used the same statement. Okay. Now you guys can see that there is a error symbol coming at line number 15. There is one error symbol we got in line 15. Did you guys saw the error symbol, everybody in online? Tell me, why are you getting this error at line number 15?
Import class.
Yes, you're right. Why are you getting this error in line 15? See, red mark means error. I told if it is yellow mark, you don't need to worry. But if it is red mark, you have to look at the error. Why you are getting error? Because if I want to use a scanner class in my program, first I have to import the scanner class. Which statement required here? Import statement required here. Import statement is required. But tell me, my import statement is missing here. Are you getting my point? Which statement is missing? Which statement is missing here? Import statement is missing. That's why we are getting what? Error. Tell me how to remove this error. Add import statement here. Okay. Now tell me how to add the import statement. You know, yesterday to write import statement, import is a keyword. Listen this. But you need to understand, sir. You no need to write import statements manually. Yesterday is a first example. That's why I have typed import. But actually, import statements you no need to type. I repeat. Okay. In Java, you no need to type the import statements. Just use a shortcut key. To get the import statement, the shortcut key is Control-Shift-O. I'm writing here. Look at this, guys. Press Control key, CTRL means Control key, plus a Shift key, plus O. This is not 0, this is O. Control plus Shift plus O. Am I clear? Control plus Shift plus O. Got it? Okay, tell me, what's the shortcut to get the import statement automatically? Control plus Shift. Two keys I pressed, next O. Now you can see that which statement is included. At line number 10, which statement you saw? What statement is there in line 10? Import java.util.scanner. Tell me that statement, am I typing manually or it is automatically generated? It is automatically added. How to add it automatically? Control Shift O, shortcut key. Press the Control, press the Shift, then press O simultaneously. Okay, at the same time, Control Shift, hold them, press O later, import will come automatically. Okay, right. Once again, I'll show you. Tell me, I got error in line 15. How to get the import statement? Once again, tell me, guys. Control Shift O. Nice. So from now today, don't type import. Use the shortcut key. Next. What is the input value from the user is required? This program should display the message to the user. System.out.println. Enter Celsius value. enter the Celsius value. Okay. Enter Celsius value. Tell me. Immediately, this is a message to the user. Tell me, when user see this message, whenever user is running this program, if user sees a message called what, enter cell, this is a message to the user. If a user see this message, immediately user will type some number from keyboard. Tell me, Celsius value means user is going to give you double decimal point value. Tell me, in Java, to show the decimal point value, which data type or which data type I have to use? Either float or double. For small numbers, float is good. Otherwise, we can use double. Your choice, you can use either float or double. I'm using float. Float. Tell me. Tell me. Otherwise, I'm using double. Better word, double. Tell me, double. C is equal to, variable name can be any name, but meaningful names are better. C for Celsius, F for Fahrenheit, easy to remember. C is equal to scan dot next double. I think you might have got the statement. After this, now calculation. Tell me, after getting the Celsius, apply the formula and calculate the value. Double F is equal to C into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. You got, everybody got this formula? It's a predefined formula. After once calculation is done, now print the output. System.out.println. I'm writing message. Fahrenheit value is equal to, plus means concatenation F. F is a variable in which I have the output. Tell me, output value is in which variable? Output value is in which variable? Which variable has the output value? Which variable has the input value? Input value, yes. Input value is there in which variable? C. After calculating this value, after calculation, the result is assigned or stored in which variable? F. So display the F. Okay, you know, first this message printed on the screen. On the screen, what is printed first? Message. Which message? Which message? Fahrenheit value. Fahrenheit value. Look at this. First, this message printed. After printing this message, plus means concatenation. Concatenation means appending. Which variable value is printed after this string? After this message, F value printed. Suppose if F value is 98.4. Suppose if F value is how much? 98.4. Then you tell me what output we are going to get. What output we are going to get? Fahrenheit value is equal to message. Tell me, after the message, whose value printed, appended? Appended means whose value concatenated? Value of F. Suppose if F value 98.5, for example, then you are going to get output like this. So first understand this, whatever you write in the double quotes, this will be printed first as it is printed. After printing this message, to the message, which value I am concatenating? F variable. If F variable contains 98.5, then tell me what the value printed here? 98.5. If F variable contains 106.9, for example, 106.9, then you tell me, what the value printed here? 106. 106.9. I think you guys have got what this statement will print the output. Is everyone okay? Is everyone understood the statement? So Fahrenheit value 106.9. Am I clear? Guys, am I done with this? 106.9. Okay. Good. We are going to run this program. We are going to run this program. And lastly, it is not compulsory, but you can write the statement scan.close. When you are beginner, just now when you started writing the Java programs, it's not required. But after getting some good knowledge in Java, then you will understand about why we are writing scan.close. Presently, just write the statement scan.close. That's it. Okay. Just to close it. You will understand in further when you got some knowledge in Java, maybe after a month, after 1.5 months, then you will understand about why we are writing this scan.close. Presently, if you write or if you don't write, there will be no problem. There will be no problem. Okay, na? So, everybody, now we want to run this program. Right click, run as Java application. You know the steps. If you want to run this Java program, right click, then say what? Run as what application? Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Now it is asking enter Celsius value. Let's say I have entered the Celsius value 38.6. Then press enter. You got the Fahrenheit value 101.48. Because how much Celsius I am providing? 38.6. If you convert into Fahrenheit value, it is equal to 101.48. 101.48. Okay. Let us run this program another time. If you want to run the program again, you can directly click on the button here, run button, green button is there here. You can see the cursor. Enter Celsius value. Let's say Celsius value 36.8. This time I am giving 36.8. Tell me 36.8 is equal to 98.24 Fahrenheit. My question, is this program is a static program or a dynamic program? Is this program is a static program or is this program is a dynamic program? What is the answer? This program is static or dynamic?
Dynamic program.
Yes, you are right. This program is a dynamic program. How do you say that it is a dynamic program? Because, okay, every time the program is not displaying the same answer. It is not displaying the same answer every time. First, it is taking the input value. Based on the input value, it is giving the output value. If your program is taking the input value and giving the output value based on the input, then we can say that program is called as a dynamic Java program. Okay. Now tell me, this program is a static Java program or a dynamic Java program? Means what is the answer? It is a dynamic Java program. It is not static. Why it is a dynamic? Is a program is giving same answer every time? No. See, previously our output is what? 101 dot. Now our output is what? 98 dot. Because you are giving input, it is giving output. This is called what type of program? Dynamic program. It is not a static program. It is a dynamic program. Okay, na? It is not a static program. It is a dynamic program. Nice. Let's start writing another Java program for your practice. Okay. But before that, I will first copy. I will copy this Java application into the document because my document is going to contain everything what I am going to explain in the class. So tell me today, this is the new Java application that we have created, Java program, Java application in Java project. What's the name of the project I took? Celsius to Fahrenheit. What is the Java program name? Convert.java. So here I am pasting the code for your reference purpose. Here I am pasting the code for your reference. Okay, I'll paste the code. And you guys have to don't type the same code in your computer. Type on your own. If you are getting any issue, okay, if you are getting an issue, then you see my code. Otherwise, you practice this code by yourself only. Try to write initially 10 lines program or 5 lines program, because in further classes you have tried big programs. Okay, you have tried 40, 50 lines programs, 100, 150 lines programs, we are going to discuss. But if you want to write, understand such kind of programs with the different logics, basics must be very strong. Everybody should be very strong in the basics part. If you know the basics well, then you can write the programs well. If you don't know the basics correctly, then you will struggle in Java. Okay, that's why try to understand the basics. Don't miss the classes. Okay, now don't miss the classes. Initial classes are very important. Basics only very important. If you know the basics, then you can understand the remaining classes easily. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Okay. See, yesterday I told about scanner. Yesterday I told about import statement. And yesterday I told about there are methods like next double, next int, next float, next line. So these are all yesterday's topics. Okay. If somebody has not attended the class yesterday, then today it is difficult, little bit difficult. Initially, they are going to face some problem. Of course, they can understand, but it will take some time again to settle. That's why please try to attend the classes regularly. Today, we also want to write another Java program, a good program we will try now. See, what program I have explained to you just now? What's my program? It is going to take the input as what? Celsius. Output is what? Fahrenheit. You write your own program. Remember, you write one more program. A reverse program. What's the reverse program? You should try this program, guys. After the class in your machine, you write one new Java program. This program I am not giving. I'm not explaining this program. I'm not writing the code for this program. I'm just telling you. You write one Java program. Now this program should take what? This program should read input as what? Fahrenheit. Input is Fahrenheit value. Now this program should convert the given Fahrenheit value to Celsius value, reverse. Guys, tell me You have to develop a program like this today on your own. Everybody, try to practice a program like this. Tell me, to convert Celsius value to the Fahrenheit value, is there a formula or not? Similarly, to convert a Fahrenheit value to Celsius value, also there is a formula. Ask the Google, it will provide you the formula, apply the formula and write the program. It is left to you. It is left to you. Am I clear with this, guys? Next, we will start writing another simple but effective Java program next. Next, little bit important program I'm going to tell you. Next program, we are discussing bit important program. Okay. You can refer various articles or websites. Guys, tell me. Today we are discussing another important program, guys. See, my next program is not one input. This program everybody need to understand bit fastly, because we should write the code for this and we want to complete in today's class only. Now look at this. We are going to discuss one Java program. Now we are going to discuss about one Java program. Guys, we are going to discuss one Java program. Okay. And our Java program is going to do this one. It is bit important. You guys can understand. This program will take input. What is the input this program will take? You know, this program is going to take the input. What is the input? You know, I'll tell you what is the input. It will take principal amount, one input. Second, annual interest rate. This program will take principal amount, annual interest rate. Next, this program also takes tenure in years. Do you know why I'm writing this program now? We want to calculate EMI. What do we want to calculate now? EMI we want to calculate. This program will take principal amount, annual interest rate, then tenure. Tenure means number of years. Based on this input, it will tell how much EMI you have to pay. Output will be EMI. Equated monthly installment. EMI stands for equated monthly installment. Now, you guys understood about what is the next program we are writing here? Tell me. Again, same thing. To calculate the EMI also formula is there. How you are converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. In the same way, there is a formula, there is a Java formula, or there is a formula for calculating EMI. Okay? But today, this program, you guys need to understand a little bit clearly. I will explain. Don't worry, I'll explain. Look at this, guys. Look at this. The formula for calculating the EMI is, let's see, EMI is equal to okay, EMI is equal to, I'll type EMI is equal to P into, P means principal amount, P into R into, R means rate of interest, 1 plus R power n divided by 1 plus R power n, then minus 1. Okay, I guess. Here, some of the things that I have to explain. What is this one? Tell me first of all. This is the formula to calculate what? EMI. To calculate EMI, this is a formula. P means principal amount. R means, but this R is monthly interest rate. This R is what? Monthly interest rate. R is a monthly interest rate. It is not annual interest rate. It is what? Monthly interest rate. But actually input is taken as what? This program is going to take the input as what? Annual interest rate. We are going to convert this annual interest rate into monthly interest rate. There is a formula. I'll tell you how to calculate or how to convert from annual interest rate to monthly interest rate. Okay. Tenure is in years, but actually we have to convert into months. Of course, that's easy. 5 years means what? 5 into 12. 5 into 12. 60 months. 4 years means what? Okay. What is the 4? 4 years means what? 4 into 12. 48 months. 3 years means 36 months. So here N means what? R means what? P means what? Here. Tell me what is P? What is P? Principal amount. Principal amount. Everybody. What is R? Monthly interest. Monthly interest rate. Okay. What is N? N means what? Years or months? Months. Number of months. Am I clear with this? Now, based on this formula, we can able to write program for calculating what? EMI. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll copy this. My next Java program, I'm going to explain you. Okay, right. Let's say EMI. EMI stands for what? Equated monthly. It is not easy monthly installment. Equated monthly installment. EMI stands for equated monthly installment. EMI. I just want to copy the formula. I have given some diagram here. I just want to copy that entire diagram. Entire diagram. All these things. This is input. This is output. I can do one thing. I can make it like this. I can copy this entire into the document so that you guys can able to read my document clearly. Okay. Look at this. Tell me. Today, our program is to calculate what? Today, we are going to create another Java project, and inside that Java project, we are going to create another Java program, and that Java program is for calculating EMI. Okay, we know the formula. But tell me, my Java program takes input as what? Principal amount, annual interest rate, tenure in years. But my program should convert annual interest rate into monthly interest rate, because banks will always provide annual interest rate only. You know, bank is saying that we are offering 9.8%. Okay, interest is 9.8%. Our interest is 12.6%. What is this 12.6, 9.8 banks say per annum? That is annual interest rate. But EMI calculation is based on annual interest rate or monthly interest rate? Monthly. So you have to convert annual interest rate into which interest rate? Monthly interest rate. There is a formula, I will tell you. Formula is very simple. Okay, right. Annual interest rate divided by 12 divided by 100. That is a way of converting from annual interest rate to monthly interest rate. Okay, look at this, guys. I'll write formula here only. You can see. What's the formula for converting from annual interest rate to monthly interest rate? Annual interest rate by 12 by 100. This is a formula. What's the purpose of this formula? This formula will convert annual interest rate into what? Monthly interest rate. Tell me, monthly interest rate is equal to annual interest rate divided by 12 divided by 100. Am I clear? Everybody in online, am I clear for this? Let me add this. Into the document. Okay, monthly interest rate is equal to annual interest rate divided by 12 divided by 100. This is called what rate? Monthly interest rate. Am I clear with this?
Sir, can you explain 100? What is 100? Why 100?
Divided by, right? See, for example, okay, I'll tell you. Okay. You know, 10% means what? No, 10%, for example, 10% is a interest. 10% means 0.1. How do you say 10% is equal to 0.1?
Yeah.
10 by 100.
Okay.
10% meaning 10 by 100. Are you able to get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's why I'm writing by 100. You got my point? Okay. That's what the way of calculation. Okay. 20% means 0.2. 15% means 0.15. 5% means
0.5.
Suppose if I'm saying 5%, 5% meaning
0.5.
0.05.
Yeah.
How do you say 5% is 0.05? 5
5
by
by
100.
100.
Okay, good. Nice. Let's start writing the program. Yes. Look at this case. One more thing. See, tell me. In the formula, I have to calculate 1 plus r power n. It is looking like a power b. See, this part is looking like power value. To calculate power value in Java, there is a class given called math, M-A-T-H. What is the class name? Math, M-A-T-H. Math class is given. In this math class, there is a POW method is given. It's predefined. Like a scanner class, math is also a class. You no need to import the math class. I'll tell you why. Math class is automatically imported. You no need of importing. Scanner class you have to import, but math class it is automatically imported. I will tell you why it is imported automatically. Let us understand by tomorrow. But first, if I write math.pow of a comma b, tell me what it calculates.
A power B.
A power b. A power b. Very good. If I write math.pow of 1 plus r comma n, tell me what it calculates. In place of a, what I am writing? 1 plus r. In place of b, what I am writing? N. Tell me what it calculates. 1 plus r power n. 1 plus r power n. Am I clear with that? Am I clear with that? Okay. So for calculating the power, we have POW. Math.pow of 1 plus r comma n. It is going to calculate 1 plus r power n. 1 plus r power n. Am I clear with that? Am I clear with that? Everybody? Everybody from online? Okay. So this is a statement for calculating the power value. I have to start coding part. I have given explanation. Let's start coding part. Suppose if I'm storing this value in some variable like double x is equal to okay. Now replace x in the formula. Tell me, this part is what? This part is calculated and stored in which variable? This part is x. This part is x. So tell me what the formula? P into R into x divided by x minus 1. Am I clear with this? Everybody? Because I'm storing this 1 plus r power n value in which variable? X variable. Now you tell me P into R into 1 plus r power n means what? X. In the divided by 1 plus r power n means x minus 1. So formula is clear. Formula is clear. Let's start writing the program. I want to start new Java project. Okay. Suppose project name is EMI. Okay. Any name you can take. What is the project name? EMI is a project name. Please understand. EMI is a project name. Finish. Next finish or directly finish also okay. Tell me what's the project name? EMI project. EMI. Open. SRC. Right click. New package. com.ashok IT. You'll understand packages later. There is a lot of time. Okay, to understand. Tell me what is the package name? com.ashok IT. Right click new class. Class name is any name you can type. Let's say, for example, class name is okay, calculation. Okay, some names are whatever the name you want. Okay, tell me what's my class name? Calculation. Otherwise, okay, otherwise you write the class name as better EMI converter. Okay, what is there in that? Tell me what's the class name? EMI converter. E capital, C capital. We have to follow some coding standards. Tomorrow I'll tell you what are the coding standards. What are the coding standards? I'll explain tomorrow. But currently you're at E capital, C capital, EMI converter. Check this main box, finish. Finish. Tell me. This is a comment line. I can delete this line. Next. On top of the program, you know, I want to type one comment. You know what the comment I want to type? I want to type a comment saying that this program, okay, this program takes principal, amount, annual, interest rate, comma, tenure in years as input. Then converts, I'm writing all the comments, converts what? Annual interest rate to monthly interest rate. Converts annual interest rate to monthly interest rate. Next, converts tenure from years to what? Months. Then calculates EMI. You got the program description now? Tell me, which class object I need to create first? Scanner. How to get the scanner object? You know the, okay, comment if you want, I'll write comments, okay. Initially it is okay. Later if you want you write, otherwise leave it. Create scanner class object. For this program I'm writing, and from the next program I will not write this comment, okay. Scanner, scan is equal to new scanner of system.in. How to get the import statement automatically without typing it manually? Without typing by me, how can I get the import? Control Shift O. Import is written there automatically. Next. Now, this program should display the message to the user. Which message? Enter principal amount. I'm taking all our doubles because interest rate is a decimal point value. Amount can be decimal point value. EMI can be decimal point value. Only tenure is months. Months means integer, na? You know, years, months, they are integers, right? Well, when you're calculating EMI, we don't have any 15.5 months, right? 15 months, otherwise 16 months, like that. Double P is equal to scan dot next double. Next. System dot out dot println, enter annual interest rate. Annual interest rate. Double, I'm writing variable name. AR means annual interest rate. Let's say, for example, AIR means annual interest rate. Something is equal to scan dot next double. System dot out dot println, enter tenure in months. Sorry, tenure in years. Enter years is equal to scan dot next int. Tell me. Tell me. First tell me, I have to convert, na? Convert annual interest rate to monthly interest rate. Tell me. I told just now a formula, double R is equal to some variable name. Tell me, AIR by 12 by 100. This is a formula. Next. Convert what? Years to months. int n is equal to years into 12 is equal to months only, na? So far, my code is clear, right? Tell me. Now we have to apply formula. But before applying the formula, first calculate that 1 plus r power n and store in one variable called x. Then tell me what should I write now? Double x is equal to, tell me, what should I write? Math dot POW of 1 plus r comma n. 1 plus r comma n. Tell me this 31, line number 31. Line number 31. Okay, double x is equal to math dot POW of 1 plus r comma n. Tell me we are going to get 1 plus r power n. Yes. Tell me what the formula to apply the EMI? Double EMI is equal to, this is the formula, calculate EMI. Tell me, calculate EMI. EMI is equal to, tell me, what the formula? P into R into X divided by X minus 1. What is X? It is 1 plus R power n. Okay. System.out.println EMI is equal to, you can write whatever the message, EMI to pay is equal to whatever it is, plus variable name EMI. Whatever you write, that message will be printed first. After that, the value is appended. Appended means concatenated. Scan.close. Program is ready. Okay, guys, let's start executing this program and then see what we are going to get the result. We want to run this program and we want to see, are we going to get the result or not? Am I clear with that? Everybody? Hey, guys, everybody, are you understanding my formula? Online people, are you good with this program? Shall we start executing this program now? We are done. We are going to execute this. Okay. Good, sir. Good. Run this program. Run as Java application. Enter which amount? Principal amount. You know, principal amount is 1 lakh. 1 after 5 zeros, 1 lakh. Annual interest rate 12%. 12 I am writing. 12 means 12%. Or 12.0 also you can write. Tell me, if annual interest rate is 12.0, what is monthly interest rate? Bank will always say interest rate in annual interest rate only. If annual interest rate is 12, what is monthly interest rate? 1%. Am I right or not? 1%. 1% is monthly. 12% is annually. One annual means 12 months, na? 12 months, 12%. Means monthly, 1%. 1% monthly. 1% only, sir. Next. Tenure, 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. Tell me, I want to know, if I take 1 lakh rupees loan, annual interest rate is 12%. I want to pay this again back in 1 year to the bank. Then how much EMI I have to pay? Tell me, how much EMI I have to pay? 999 rupees approximately. 999 99 rupees you have to pay. If I pay 999 rupees EMI, then I cannot complete the loan, right? Means there is a mistake in our formula. What is the mistake in our formula? You know, first I have to calculate this part. Put this value within parenthesis. First calculate this value, then calculate P into R into that value. Remember, keep this x by x minus 1 within parenthesis. Okay? Right. I'll tell you why and all you'll understand in operators. I'll tell you about operators topic. At that time, you'll understand this. Enter principal amount, 1 lakh. 1 after 5 zeros. 12%. 1 year. EMI 0. Why? Means I did somewhere some mistake. Principal amount, R for rate of interest, then X value is 1 plus R power N, years into 12, 1 year means 12 months. So we are getting some error here, means our code, our formula is having some mistake, and we'll try to provide the solution for this mistake and we will run the program. P
In line number 26, we are dividing 2 times. Can we make one division in bracket?
It is 2 times only. It is correct only. R means rate of interest. Annual interest rate divided by 12 divided by 100. That's for 0.01%. 1% means 0.01. That's correct.
Which it
That's
will
correct only.
divide first? Means AR by 12 or 12 by 100?
No, first you'll calculate AR by 12.
Okay.
After that by 100. It's correct only. There is no problem with that.
Okay.
Okay. But there is somewhere I did a mistake. I will correct the mistake. For calculating EMI. Oh, sorry. Good to know. Good to know. See, first, what the problem with this? You should put x minus 1 within parenthesis. Not the x by x minus, only x minus 1. Okay. First, you should calculate x minus 1. Then it should divide x by x minus 1. Keep that x minus 1 within parenthesis. I'll show you the output now. Principal amount 1000. Sorry, 1 lakh. Annual interest rate 12%. 1 year tenure. Now this is correct. Tell me, if I take 1 lakh rupees loan, annual interest rate is 12%. 1 year I want to, in 1 year I want to pay. Tell me monthly how much amount I have to pay to the bank? 8,800 and approximately 85 rupees. 8,885 rupees I have to pay per month EMI. So that I can repay the bank 1 lakh rupees with interest rate of 12%. This is correct answer. Okay, na? Right. Let us run this program for one more time, guys. We'll conclude this program and our class. See, for example, principal amount is 15 lakhs. 15 after 5 zeros. How much amount loan? 15 lakhs I want to take loan. Annual interest rate. Okay, annual interest rate 11.3%. I'm taking a car loan, for example, 15 lakhs car loan. Interest rate is 11.3%. I want to pay this in 5 years. How many years I want to use? 5. Means 60 months loan. I'm taking car loan, for example. Then tell me how much EMI per month I need to pay? Approximately 32,839 rupees. That's correct only. This is correct only. 32,839 rupees you have to pay per month approximately EMI. Okay, na? For 15 lakhs loan with interest rate 11.3%. Okay, na? In how many years I want to pay this back? In 5 years I want to pay this back. Then I have to pay approximately 32,839 rupees to the bank. Am I clear with this, guys? Okay, right. Right. Now my program is calculating and I will copy this program. You guys can practice this program for today. Here we want to conclude the class. And as I said yesterday, guys, from tomorrow, you guys are going to get the new link. Guys, tomorrow onwards, this link does not work. As I said yesterday, you have to register by tomorrow so that tomorrow you will be shared with your new link and you have to join from tomorrow the classes with new link. This link does not work and today is the last demo session and from tomorrow, okay, from tomorrow, the only enrolled candidates can attend the class. That's why you please connect with our people tomorrow morning and enroll for this course. Then you will get the new link. They will share it, the new link, and with that new link you can join. And also they will share you credentials to access the Ashok IT website. So tomorrow I will share this document in the Ashok IT portal. And from tomorrow, every day I will share. After once the class is completed, the portal is going to get, in the portal I'll upload the document. So you can every day after the class, you can go to the portal, you can download the class notes and you can practice the programs and you can read the theory notes. Okay. So first I want to copy this into my document. Every program I will share with you because it will be a reference and you guys can practice. If you are getting any problems or errors, you guys can able to read my program. You can able to see the program and you can correct your mistakes. Okay, now guys. I want to copy the program code here. I want to copy the program code here. The program code is copied for you. Okay, and this is the program, guys. This is the program. We have discussed some good programs today. Please practice them. And tomorrow we will see the other things in Java. Okay, what is type conversions? Okay, what are operators? We are going to look it into such kind of things tomorrow. Okay, guys, that's it for today's session. And you guys can please connect with Shilpa on no, this one. Mayur, I'm sending one number in the chart. Okay. You connect with her and you discuss with her. Okay. Syllabus copy and all, it is available in the Ashok IT portal. You guys can download or you can connect with our admin people or front office people. They will share the syllabus notes. Syllabus is not required. Okay. We will cover everything. Nobody will cover what we are covering in the Java concepts. Okay. We will cover whatever we are covering. No other organizations or institutions will cover. That's for sure. You will get the recordings from tomorrow. Okay. Once the class is completed in Ashok IT portal only, you will get access to the class backup videos also. Everything you will get from Ashok IT portal. Class notes.
Sir, can you please provide the number to whom we need to contact for enrolling this course?
I'm sharing to everyone. I'm sharing now. To everyone I'm sharing. Please connect with her tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning. Please connect with her. Her name is Shilpa. You can connect with Shilpa. 63019 21083. I've sent the number to everyone. Okay, and connect with her tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, maybe after 9:30 or so. Around 9:30 after or 9:30 after. Everybody connect with her and discuss with her and complete your enrollment so that you will get the link by afternoon. New Zoom link by tomorrow afternoon, and so that you guys can attend the sessions tomorrow without missing any classes. Okay. Thank you. They will give everything, the portal access, backup videos, everything. Every day you will get the backup video in the portal only, and from there only you are going to get class notes, backup videos, everything. You can access everything. The links are there in the portal only. Okay, guys. We will log off and we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Thanks, folks. Good night.